Guys, I'm Priya Sharma and once again welcome to my channel Self Management Skills. In this video, we will discuss what is management and functions of management. So let's begin. Management is the creation of an internal environment in an enterprise where individuals working in groups can perform efficiently and effectively towards the attainment of the group goals. Management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business, managers, and workers with their work. It is the art of getting the work done through people in formally organized groups. Functions of management, or say the process of management, is a common to all type of business organization. Discuss what are these functions. The process of management begins with the planning of the company's future, moves after that organizing of activities takes place, which is then followed by staffing of employees and directing them about how the work is to be done, and finally the process ends with controlling the activities of the organization and taking corrective steps to overcome them. Now we will discuss each of these functions in details. Planning. Planning is the first and foremost function of the management process. It is the preliminary function of management. Planning is the thinking process to determine that what is to be done in future, when is the right time to do it, how we can do it, and who will do it. Planning is a tool of management which helps the manager to take a peep into the future. In planning, the top level managers formulate the company's policies, forecast budgets, and set up targets, as well as the managers create the detailed action plans for the future moves of the business. Next, organizing is a group of people who cooperate under the direction of leaderships for the accomplishment of a common end. It means systematically arranging, grouping, synchronizing, and coordinating the activities and resources of the company. Organizing involves scheduling the activities, defining the roles of positions, specializations, and we can say dividing the work and establishing an effective authority responsibilities relationship to avoid unnecessary hustles at the time of execution of plans. Next, staffing is all about placing right person at the right job. It involves hiring and retaining an eligible and competent workforce to fill the vacancies in the organization. Its objective is to employ and monitor the employees in the process of staffing eligible candidates and employed by the organization for specific position and offering them jobs accordingly. Next, directing. Direction is a complex function that includes all those activities which are designed to encourage subordinates to work effectively and efficiently in the short and long run so that they can perform the assigned task in an efficient way. Direction is the total of managerial efforts that is applied for guiding and inspiring the working team to make better accomplishments in the organization. Controlling. Controlling is that process which keeps the whole system in check so that it moves as per the pre-designated parameters of the business enterprises as per the plan and adopting corrective measures thereon for any deviation. Controlling refers to the task of ensuring that activities are producing the desired results. It is a backward-looking process that helps to identify the errors. So guys, there is an end of this lecture. I hope that you all may like this video, share this video with your friends and put it in your comments below, and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new updates. Thank you.